Today I'm going to teach you how to make this surprise envelope. And when you pull the arrow, the message will come. I'm going to teach you this in the simplest way. And the supplies we are going to need are color markers of your favorite and a piece of paper. Now let's start. So first we are going to fold the paper like this. Make the crease and then fold it back out. Next, we are going to take the corners and line them along the crease. Do this for all the four sides. After you're done, there should be a gap in the middle. Now, since you fold it in the bottom, take the bottom and fold it up along the crease like this. Do this for the top too. After you're done, it should look like this. Next, take the corners of both of the sides and fold them in. Next, flip the message card over, fold it. When you fold the one half, it should look like this. Then fold the other half. So after you're done folded, it should look like an envelope. Next, take the envelope shaped card and pull it up like this. Then you see the upside down envelope. Take this envelope and then fold it down, the flap, and then push it in like this. Do it for both of the corners. After you're done, it should look like this. So, we have done our card. Now, it's time to do the decorations. Now, pull your card while holding it up. Now you'll see a card like this. Here, you can do a letter or a picture. Well, I am going to do a picture, but you can do anything you want. I'm going to make this letter for my family. I'm going to make a card so they can know I love them. I made my drawing. I hope you made yours too. So next, we fold the newspaper as we did usually and then make the card again. Now, decorate it on the front. I'm going to put hearts on the front because I'm putting the letter to say I love you to my family. Next, I'm going to put an arrow here so everybody will know that this is where we pull. I'll just cut it in and I'm going to write pull. I'm done with my decoration, but if you want to do more, you can do it. And I'm going to show you how it's done. So I'm just going to pull my card and voila! I hope you all learned how to make a surprise envelope from this video. And if you do make one, please share it with us. Bye!
Hi kids! எனக்கும் என் தம்பிக்கு டிராயிங் கலரிங் கிராஃப்ட்னா ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். உங்களுக்கும் பிடிக்குமா? அப்போ உங்களோட டிராயிங் கலரிங் கிராஃப்ட் ஒர்க் எல்லாம் எங்களோட வெப்சைட்ல அப்லோட் பண்ணுங்க. தமிழரசி ஃபேமிலி கூட ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க.
அது மட்டும் இல்லாம உங்க குழந்தைகளுடைய பிறந்த நாள் மற்றும் அவங்களுடைய அச்சீவ்மெண்ட்ஸை தமிழரசி கூட ஷேர் பண்ணணும்னு ஆசைப்படுறீங்களா? அப்ப மறக்காம வெப்சைட்க்கு போங்க, லாகின் பண்ணுங்க, அப்லோட் பண்ணுங்க, உங்க தமிழரசி ஃபேமிலியோட ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க.
If you like this video, please like, comment, share with your friends and family. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.